welcome back to another unboxing video. So today I have the 16-inch MacBook Pro, and this thing is fully spec'd out. So I'm gonna list the specs on here. We have quite a bit. Actually, I believe I have them saved here. Let me pull that up real quick. Okay, so it has the M1 Max with 10-core CPU, 32-core GPU. It has 64 gigabytes of RAM. It has the 140-watt USB-C power adapter. It has 2 terabytes of solid-state storage, and it has Final Cut Pro on it, as well as all the other stuff that's included. So this thing is maxed out just besides the storage, because I didn't think I need 8 terabytes. But yeah, this thing is going to be my new editing PC for this channel, as well as my second channel, which I'll link down below. So hopefully the quality is better. I'm actually recording on my iPhone right now. I got this little color chart as well. I'm gonna start trying to get better at my camera, but I've been super busy, so I didn't want to set all that up and all the lighting stuff. So I'm hoping this is good. The mic might be a little bit worse. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this guy open. So that is the plastic peel. Let's get this off. So I'm hoping the video quality is okay. I'm gonna actually be editing it on this laptop here. I'm gonna be learning the software, so it might be a little bit choppy. But before we lift this up, I'm actually gonna move the phone over here so we can get an over-top view of this. So let's go ahead and get that set up. All right, so here is the MacBook Pro. And this box is extremely heavy. So there it is. It's really cold to the touch. That's actually really thick cardboard. Let's set that to the side. So here it is in all its glory. I'm gonna set this guy to the side real quick. So here's some of the accessories. So this is the MagSafe charger. I'm gonna open this guy up. These little tabs. I really like the way Apple packages their products, actually. All right, so this is braided. This is really nice, actually. Let's get this guy out. And this is USB-C. Wish they, oops, shook the camera a little bit. Wish they used USB-C on their other stuff. So this is the charge cable, as you can see here. Let's try to get that to focus. So this is a magnetic charger. It's really nice braided cable. Then right here, it's MacBook Pro. I believe this is like the, okay, so that's like getting started. Oh yeah, this has Touch ID also and like a full-size SD card slot. So this is like your manual stuff. I'm not sure why it's so thick. Was there like, what is in here? Oh, stickers, of course. Gotta get the Apple stickers. It looks like there's something else in here, but it doesn't like detach. So I'm not sure if it's just thick cardboard or what's going on there. I'll set that aside. I'll figure this stuff out later. So set that over there. And this is the 140-watt power supply. So this is a big boy laptop charger. Yeah, so it's just a single USB port, 140 watts. So yeah. Thought this had plastic on it. I guess it's just not. It sounds really weird. Huh. Alright. So I'm gonna set some of this packaging stuff, the cable, to the side. Because what we really want to take a look at right now is this guy right here. So just carefully get this unwrapped. So it says MacBook Pro. That's actually etched in there really good. Let me try zooming in here. So it's like etched into the actual casing. So let's go ahead and get this opened up. Okay, so it's really cold. So that's full-size SD card, has HDMI, USB-C. That's the back, like ventilation under there. 2 USB-C ports. I believe they're Thunderbolt. And then there's MagSafe. And it actually has a headphone jack, which is nice. hands are a little bit sweaty, sorry about that. So yeah, that's gonna be the top part where we lift it up. So let's go ahead and open this guy up. I'm gonna lower the camera down real quick. All right, so first time opening this, let's try to do it, see how well it opens with just one finger. Let's get that. Oh, it's already turning on. All right, let's get this thing off. And that is that liquid retina display you're seeing right there. So, backlit keyboard. There's the keyboard, has that little Touch ID key. It actually clicks in. So yeah, it's huge, very huge display. And look at the size of that trackpad compared to my hand. This thing is massive. Like, here's an iPod Touch. This laptop is huge. So let's go ahead and hit the space bar. I'm gonna go ahead and set this guy up. So let's go ahead and get started.
To use English as the main language,
oh, it's talking.
Press the return key.
All right. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up and I will be right back. All right, so I got the computer set up. So I have Final Cut Pro installed on here already. Wow, that launched extremely fast. This thing is way faster than I thought it was gonna be. But yeah, let's go ahead and test out a couple things. I'm gonna open up Safari and let's go to YouTube. Here, I think it's this one. Yeah. All right, let's just go YouTube. Just go to the website. And let's go ahead and test out a video. All right, so here is a video that I took on my drone. Looks really good on the computer. I'm gonna try turning it up, see how loud it actually gets. Still sounds really clear. So yeah, video on this is pretty good. Let's see what else we can do on here. I'm gonna test out the charger on here. How do we close out? It's like fighting me. Shows me. There we go. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try out the charger, see that MagSafe stuff. There's not a lot I can do on here just yet because I don't have much software downloaded. I'm gonna be getting some software downloaded later tonight though, and try to get this footage to look good. But yeah, there's like, this thing is really, really powerful, so I can't wait to learn how to use everything on here. If you guys have any suggestions on software to get for this guy, let me know down in the comments below. But yeah, let's go ahead and test out that charger. All right, so let's just go ahead and line this up. Oops. All right. So now it's charging. It's actually really strong magnet. I'm sure if we just go side to side or, okay, yeah. That actually works really well. So that's how the charger works. Here, you might be, if I darken it, you'll see the light that's on there. But yeah, let's get that guy unplugged. Really, really happy with this computer. It's really, really thin too, for how powerful it is. But yeah, thank you for watching my unboxing video on this guy. There's going to be future videos with this for sure. You can see more about it on my second channel here when I actually start editing travel videos on here. Really surprised with how fast it opens Final Cut. Like, that's pretty quick for opening editing software. My other computer takes like a minute. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to thumbs up and leave a comment, and I will see you all in the next video.